congratulations, best wishes, and a blessed new year, Mr. and Mrs. Ang.
We were running home. Everything felt different. Feels like something's missing from who we are. From who we are. We were all alone. Feels like we've been hiding out, turning things inside and out of who we are. We don't need to hide. It's gonna be the best night ever. Nothing on our mind. It's gonna be the best night ever. We're still
Nandito lang.
step into the light. It's gonna be the best night
Finally, ito na. Sana matapos na lang. See you later.
So, loves, Dudy, thankful lang ako na nakilala kita, tas yun, ngayon, magiging isa na rin tayo sa wakas. After 10 years.
Thank you. Cheers!
It's gonna be the best night ever. Nothing on our mind. It's gonna be the best night ever. We're still in the fight. Won't run, won't hide. Step into the light. It's gonna be the best night
Dudy, so yun, 10 years ago, nung una kitang makita or ma-meet sa Pacific Online, yung company natin, yung previous company natin.
2014, workmate ko siya sa Ortigas. Ka-work ko siya.
Pero ngayon, hindi na kami magka-work.
Actually, hiningi ko yung number niya dun sa kakilala ko. Mas kilala ko. Kasi bago siya eh. May employee siya. Yun.
Una, hindi ako pumayag na manligaw muna siya. Kasi hindi ko pa siya kilala that time. So gusto ko muna maging friends muna kami. So yun, friendship muna. Tapos tsaka eventually, bago pumayag na manligaw.
Siguro mga 4 to 5 months din.
Love at first sight, charot!
I can't get enough of you.
Hindi ko masabing love at first sight kasi eh. Parang yung towards sa kanya, iba yung feeling ko.
I can't get enough of you.
Tingin daw sa isa't isa.
Ayun, thank you. Kahit na alam na natin to, planado na to eh. Pero thank you. Kasi yun eh, alam naman niya kasing wala akong formal na watch. Lagi akong yung mga rugged na G-Shock. So yun, thank you.
Adriel. Ito yung talagang inalagaan ko ever since. So, good luck and God bless. And
Thank you po.
congratulations. You will be a good father, a good husband. Masaya ako para sa aking pamangkin na si Ella. Love you.
Love you po.
I can't get enough of you.
finally, after 10 years, we are here now. In front of our parents, family, and treasured friends. And of course, God to witness our union. Sabi nga, sa hinaba-haba din ng panahon, sa kasalan din ang tuloy.
I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough.
Sobrang thank you sa relationship natin na chill lang. Isa sa hindi ko talaga makalimutan yung 2023. Nung na-aksidente ako, nabalian ako ng paa. Andiyan ka, di mo ako pinabayaan. Hanggang ngayon, inaasikaso mo pa rin ako.
It's just the beginning of a world unknown.
Ngayon na ikakasal ka na. So, welcome to married life in advance. So, kasi mamaya pa naman. Pero, sana magka-baby kayo agad. So, try ng try ha.
tumatanda
Testing
na
ng
eh.
testing ha. So, ngayon may chance ka na para tumesting ng tumesting ng madami.
Oh, this moment that we'll all
Sobrang happy ko because through those years, we both grow, mature together. We always dreamed of this day. And thank God, it's happening now.
want. I can feel it in the mystery. Every step in, every heartbeat to forever. You and I will run, my only one.
Congrats, nak! Alam mo,
Thanks.
mahal na mahal ko kayo. Kaya sana maging mabuting nanay ka rin pagdating ng araw. Bigyan mo kami ng apo. At lagi mong tatandaan, lagi kaming nandito. Wish!
Congrats anak, sana maging maligaya kayo sa pagsasama niyo ni Eyan. Sana huwag kayong nag-aaway at sana maging successful pa kayo sa inyong mga karir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you sa lahat. Lahat ng values, aral, at kung sino ako ngayon dahil sa inyo. Salamat. Mahal ko kayo.
Every step in, every heartbeat to forever. You and I will run, my only one.
He made this day possible. And I know this will be our favorite day starting today. I know by fate we met, and by choice, I will always stay and choose you every day.
Walang promises, pero full commitment bibigay ko, saka patitibayin ko palalo kung ano meron tayo ngayon. Maraming salamat talaga and I love you.
I know we still have a long journey together, but I'm confident that I'm holding the right hand to go wherever life takes us. Ikaw palagi.